So this is the 3-door Thar with all the changes, and we have an off-road track that has been curated over here. So we'll just go test it out. Changes, you get all black interior, new screen, a fuel lid opener. The front over here, as you see, body colored grille, and you get a dual tone bumper. At the back you get a reverse parking camera, and you also get a wiper with a washer right over there. So this is the grab handle that is also new you get on this, and now it gets an armrest that can slide open, and you also have AC vents at the back. So now let's go off-roading. We are in 4 high, and we will just start off. So track is curated, we have a few humps, and let's go. So I'm just keeping the window open. And 2 humps over here. And then easy. That was really easy. Now we have a small slush kind of a pit, as you see in front of us. Nice. So that's kind of the track. We just go up and we take an angle. We do the articulation, not exactly the articulation, we do a side angle. A little bit of steering input needed. See, I'm exactly straight, my head is straight, so that is the amount of angle that you get. Oh my god. A little scary. Okay, we're done with this. So now we go over here. And now we are entering this, again, a slushy area. Easy peasy. It's sliding a little bit, but oh, that was really easy. And now we head out and we go to the articulation, which is going to be interesting. We line up and here we go. One side, second side up. Oh. Okay, we are out now, and now we'll be going over there. So there's a slush pit that has been curated for us. So now let's go to the slush pit, and we already have a JCB that's digging up some dirt for us. So we're gonna climb this steep slope. Easy peasy for the Thar. And now we go to this side. There we have some more digging going on. Okay, they are digging another hole. Nice. So okay, this is a really slushy pit. We'll have to carry some momentum. Let's see if we get stuck anywhere. We'll be taking, oh, this is full sliding slush. Nice. Car is just dancing around. Oh my god, we have mud inside. Nice. And yeah, that's about it. That was the course that was curated for us. Very capable vehicle. I mean, it's always been the most capable off-roader in the Indian market. There are others as well, but yep. So as you all saw, pretty, not a hardcore off-roading, but kind of a mild track that was set up for us. And as always, the Thar came out without even breaking a sweat. Comment below how did you like this video. If you liked it, do a thumbs up. And if you like the two new color options that are on the Thar, that is the Battleship Grey and the Tango Red. I'm Promit signing off. See you next time. Thanks so much for watching. Take care, be safe, and drive safe.